right now on Jamaica News Page tonight.
See, become like you know Steve. All you have to do at top. All you have to do at top. I bet you want to tell them crash. I said to myself. Come like Steve, no. We don't know how much money in a car, but no.
A police chase ends in tragedy on the Patterson highway. Tonight, two people are dead and investigators are revealing the sequence of events that led to this fiery crash. Also tonight, investigators are searching for the daring thieves behind a multi-million-dollar heist at a Scotiabank branch. Tonight, the new clues they're following. Then, a boost for minimum wage earners. Parliament approves an increase in the minimum wage. How much more workers will earn starting Tuesday? Plus,
oh man, you little and neat. Look how you're pretty and you don't want to give work. Wow, we can touch it. We can look at it?
Yes, we can.
Oh, wow. So guys, if you're just watching, this is the young miss that I saw on TikTok was talking about how she got her birthmark, that her mother mark her for it and a poster. And she reached out to me while I was on my live and she was saying that she cannot get a job because every time when she go to look at a job, what you say them tell you?
I have to wear an eye mask.
She have to wear eye mask.
this woman's struggle to find a job because of her birthmark takes an unexpected turn after social media influencer and philanthropist Auntie Donna steps in to change her life. Her inspiring story just ahead. Welcome or welcome back to Jamaica News Page tonight. News that keeps you connected to what's happening across Jamaica, and we're powered by viewers just like you. Please click subscribe and tap the notification bell to stay connected. Thank you for joining us, Errol Walker. Jamaica News Page tonight starts right now. We begin tonight with developing news out of Manchester, where police are investigating a suspected hit and run that has claimed the life of an unidentified man. Investigators say the man's body was discovered in the early hours of Sunday along the Spur Tree Main Road. He was found lying on the roadway with lacerations consistent with being struck by a vehicle. The Area 3 Accident Investigation and Reconstruction Unit is investigating the incident and is appealing to anyone with information to contact police at 119 or the nearest police station. And still in Manchester, we're following new developments surrounding this fiery crash along the Williamsfield leg of the Patterson highway that claimed the lives of two people. The video may be tough to watch for some viewers. Viewer discretion is advised.
See, become like you know Steve. All you have to do at top. All you have to do at top. I bet you want to tell them crash. I said to myself. Come like Steve, no. We don't know how much money in a car, but no. What am I going to do? Come over here, sir. In there, but no, but for the toll. Jesus God. All you have to do is stop the car and deal with the police. Them here, run the police. Kill off from the hell. Him half dead, bro. What am I going to do?
According to investigators, the deadly collision may be linked to a multi-million-dollar break-in at a business establishment in Red Bank near Junction in St. Elizabeth. Investigators say this Toyota Noah is believed to have been the getaway vehicle. It was traveling along the Williamsfield leg of the highway shortly before 3:45 Saturday morning when a highway patrol team attempted to stop it. The driver allegedly failed to stop, sped away, then lost control while negotiating a right-hand curve. The vehicle crashed head-on into this concrete retaining wall and burst into flames. The driver and passenger were trapped inside and died at the scene. This image, claiming to show one of the occupants, has been circulating on social media. However, as of news time, the occupants' identities had not been officially confirmed. Meanwhile, investigators say the occupants had just fled a business in St. Elizabeth where approximately $1.5 million in cash, along with alcoholic beverages, cigarettes, phone cards valued at $2.5 million, a cash register, and other valuables were reportedly stolen. Detectives from Manchester and St. Elizabeth are continuing investigations into both the fatal crash and the reported break-in. Also developing tonight, police are investigating a major theft at a Scotiabank branch in Portmore, St. Catherine. According to police, thieves broke into the bank's automated banking machine service room sometime between Saturday afternoon and early Sunday morning. Police say surveillance cameras captured several men dressed in black arriving in a gray Nissan Latio before gaining access to the facility. Security codes were reportedly used to open several ABM safes, allowing the suspects to escape with what is believed to be millions of dollars in Jamaican and US currency. No arrests have been made, and the investigation is ongoing. In other news tonight, the second phase of the government's approved 16% increase in public passenger vehicle fares takes effect this coming Tuesday, July 1, 2026. The final 8% adjustment follows the first increase introduced in June. Transport Minister Darrell Vaz says the phased implementation was designed to ease the financial burden on commuters while helping operators cope with rising operating costs. As of news time, the Transport Authority had not released an official fare card reflecting the July 1 increase. However, the approved fare increase for June is available on their social media pages at Transport Authority JA. And minimum wage earners will see more money in their paychecks. The minimum wage is set to increase to $17,000 per week effective July 1, 2026. The basic hourly rate will also increase from $400 to $425, with the adjustment applying to industrial security guards as well. The increase follows an announcement made by Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness earlier this year and was formally affirmed in Parliament by Labour Minister Pernell Charles Jr. And finally, tonight, a story of kindness and hope. Popular social media influencer and philanthropist Auntie Donna is stepping in to help a young woman who says she has struggled to find employment because of a birthmark on her eye. The woman, identified as Rika, says she has faced repeated rejection despite being qualified and willing to work. Auntie Donna says when she heard Rika's story, she was moved to help.
Oh man, you little and neat. Look how you're pretty and you don't want to give you work. Wow, we can touch it. We can look at it?
Yes, we can.
Oh wow. So guys, if you're just watching, this is the young miss that I saw on TikTok was talking about how she got her birthmark. That her mother mark her for it and a poster. And she reached out to me while I was on my live and she was saying that she cannot get a job because every time when she go to look a job, what you say them tell you?
I have to wear eye mask.
She have to wear eye mask and nothing go wrong with her. She never make herself. This is how she was born. So she reached out to Auntie Donna and I was talking to her on the live and she said she have a little daughter and her daughter, she have to take care of her daughter. So Auntie Donna decided that she going to give her something to sell, buy her something to sell. So when she sent me what she sell, she sent me some nightie and some stuff. But I couldn't get the nightie then, but I get the other stuff. And I buy her some little stuff where she can start a little small business. So, Rika, tell me about yourself a little bit there. For those who you are so pretty.
I am a very kind person.
Yes.
Very outspoken.
Yes.
And I'm a friendly person also.
Mm-hmm.
I love to give advice. I love to motivate others.
Yes.
I am always kind, never the negative person.
Yes. So you're how old? 23?
I'm 23 years
Yeah, that you tell me so 23. So what is it that, what kind of work you want? Because this, I'm going to put it up on my page. So a lot more, I ask somebody to get a job for you, but probably because them don't see it yet or what them say they will look into it. What kind of work you can do? Come in a little bit there.
Alright, so I don't specialize in work.
Mm-hmm.
But what I would really like is an office work, a 9 to 5, or to do anything in customer service wise.
Oh, customer service.
Yes.
Okay. So you like, you can work like, so if you forget to work like a hardware, you can pass the things them and
Yes,
them
and
something
I
them.
also can cash.
And you can cash.
Yes.
Okay, that's nice then. I forgot to tell the person. But which area you'd rather? Because you live at Stony Hill side, right? Up the hill side, yes. So which area?
For 3.
Anne-Marie, turn on the light out here for me now.
Any one of those sides.
For 3, where we just take one bus.
Right.
You know, nothing where you have to take one bus. You know, and guys, please do not discriminate against this young miss. She never make herself. She never chose to be this way. This is how she was born. And if you look, you know, see, you could have been a model. Nobody tell you?
Yeah,
Walk the 99 catwalk. Where you have to walk the catwalk. Video walk the catwalk then. Walk the 99 catwalk. Go down and walk, come down. May make sure walk the 99 catwalk. Go up close and catch her there. Yeah, come. See her right there. Can catch her? Yeah. See her right there. So catch her and walk the catwalk. Yes, walk. Yeah. And spin. Yes. Yeah. Look how she nice. You are so pretty. And I don't think your eye should this be. I'm not trying to say. You know, have no form of discrimination against you because this is how you was born. You never choose to be like this. And Jamaican people, I don't know what is wrong with them. But anyway, I'm glad you reached here and I'm going to bless you with some stuff for you to start a little business, alright? So come sit down and pop. No, they must say, when I watch him, let me tell you, I them perfume here, still fast, yeah. So, you only tell me some of them, I'm going to give you the receipt so you can know how you have to price it. She said, you know how much I sell back on them? Yeah. And that, can you see what you have perfume business are going good now, you know? I don't buy you some panty and you say, you never try the panty. So the lady said, Auntie Dana perfume I sell all about now. So perfume business is a good business and a whole heap of money was a perfume. You're going, so you're going to sell and you're going to buy back and you're going to help yourself. And let me tell you, this is a good start and this can help you. This can help you to go far away, don't it? See her eye? That's how she born with it, you know? Yeah. Alright. Nobody catch what set this around me so you can see them. I'll cut them off. And this is not from any donor. This is from Auntie Dana and one of her friends, Miss Bailey. Miss Bailey give me some money. She said, make up and buy a couple more buckle of perfume. Tell her me I buy perfume. So this up Miss Bailey. Yes, this is from Auntie Dana personally. All of them. Miss Bailey give me a couple buckle of perfume for you. So big up Miss Bailey. So.
Thank you, Miss Bailey.
Yeah, with the Auntie Dana initiative. Yeah. So you set them out and you make your price. All you get to sell it, you put it in your WhatsApp.
I can do?
Yeah, for them see.
No, we are going to make a WhatsApp.
Oh, so you have a number of people who want to buy from you? So if people want to buy from her, give out your number.
You can reach me at 871-5981 on WhatsApp, straight call 480-4926.
Yes. So you can reach her at
871-5981 on WhatsApp and straight call 480-4926.
yes, so blessed to be a blessing. To God be the glory. And I wish you all the best. Yeah? And not trust out them. Alright? Don't trust them all.
I just want to say thank you, Miss Dana, and thank you to Miss Bailey who also assists.
Yes.
I truly appreciate it, and I will give you updates on how my business journey.
Yes, yeah man. God bless.
Thank you.
God bless you.
Well deserved. Congratulations, Rika. You're beautiful just the way you are. Keep thriving, and we look forward to hearing about your business success. You know, Rika's story is now being shared as a reminder that kindness can change lives, and sometimes all a person needs is someone to believe in them and give them a chance. You can reach Rika at the details there on your screen. Support her if you can. All the best to you, Rika. We're rooting for you. And that's the news on Jamaica News Page tonight. News that keeps you connected to what's happening across Jamaica, and we're powered by viewers just like you. Please leave a comment so we can welcome you with a shout out. Thank you for joining us, Errol Walker, and also thank you for watching Jamaica News Page tonight. We'll see you in the comments, and be sure to like, share, and join us again for more news. From all of us here, good night.